uh, you stated that the offer was for improper plates. Does that dismiss the state of emergency ticket?
Yeah, I would dismiss that.
Okay, we'll accept the offer.
Okay. Mr. James, can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
There you go. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Glenn today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to April 16, 2020, around 8:22 p.m. in the area of Gratiot and Alcoy in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2012 Buick white vehicle without insurance.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I will make the amendments in proper place, dismiss count 2 with their stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, I will waive your fines and costs today, Mr. James, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, have a good one.
All right, thank you, you too.
All right, I'm gonna put you in, Attorney Glenn, with Antonio Fortune. And Mr. Fortune's offer, he has 5 counts. The offer is for him to plead his charge to the open alcohol and motor vehicle as a driver and to speeding 11 to 15 over the speed limit, with the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, did you get that
Okay.
offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Fortune, I'm putting you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Glenn, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead and accept the invitation. And Mr. Jamal Johnson, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case P 3092530, the people versus Jamal Johnson. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, no plates. And count 3, defective brake lights. Appearance?
Good afternoon. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson for Mr. Jamal Johnson. Sir, please state your name.
Jamal Johnson Jr.
And how are we moving forward with Mr. Johnson Jr.?
Judge, Mr. Johnson would like to take advantage of the offer. He informed me, and I don't know if the court is aware, that he's before your honor. He will be on September 27th for other matters. Is it possible to consolidate everything today? If not, he would like to proceed on what's before the court today.
As long as it's not 10 plus counts, something crazy.
No.
Probably take
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's not.
All right, the clerk is looking it up now to see what you have.
It's $2,000. You said,
What date, Mr. Johnson, did you say?
oh, October 27th.
October 27th, okay.
Yes, Judge.
I misspoke.
Pretty much so, Judge. His stuff is pretty extensive. Yeah, he's got a couple pages.
Okay, so the arraignment, I think you're referring to, Mr. Johnson, is scheduled for October 27th, and that's for one kind of driving while license not valid or improper license. I will give that to Ms. Rogers and see what the offer will be with this case included. Got another one. Okay. Mr. Fields,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna try to put you on with Attorney Robinson and see if something's different with her.
Okay.
And his offer is for, opening talks as a passenger.
That's no points, right, Judge?
It's 2 points.
2 points? I tried. Okay. All right.
So I put you in breakout room 2. I don't know if you see it. Mr. Johnson, you just stay, hold tight, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The prosecutor just made an offer to dismiss that count as well.
Thank you.
She said you're welcome. Okay. Is still in the breakout room. Because Ms. Attorney Robinson is talking, I need another one. There we go. Okay, are we ready on Mr. Fortune?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is People versus Antonio Fortune, calling cases P 1081903, driver while license suspended, repeat offender, count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a driver, and P 1081902, 16 to 20 over the posted speed, count 2, fair to use a seatbelt, count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearance?
William Glenn on behalf of Mr. Fortune. Sir, state your name.
Antonio Fortune.
For purposes of arraignment, we waive the formal reading, stand mute. We ask for a pretrial date.
Okay, I will enter not guilty plea and set your pre-trial date, Mr. Fortune, for October 21st at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
You say October 21st, ma'am?
Yes, at 8:30 on Zoom.
No questions, ma'am.
Okay, you have a good day.
You too.
Oh, you said different. Okay, okay. Closer, closer. I got it. I was off a little bit. I'm sorry.
I've been doing it for Wednesday, so.
My eyes kind of like, I get it pretty much. Because that's how we did it. It was on.
I'm give you gifts here.
Okay, thank you. I'll take all this. Thank you. Thank you.
Wanna make a big, I just put it on.
Did you see my face?
Thank you.
That's
Okay, Attorney Glenn, I'm gonna put you in with Mr. Devontae Jardine, Jardine.
I'm here.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room to speak to Attorney Glenn about your case, okay?
Okay.
And the offer is for failure to display. He'll explain that to you in the breakout room. Okay, any luck with Mr. Fields?
Yes, Judge. I can hear him just fine.
Okay, I'll take care of Mr. Johnson first. We were in the middle. So for the additional count, in that case, SP 107-31921, driver while license not valid or improper license, Prosecutor Rogers has agreed or offered to go ahead and dismiss that count too.
Okay, he'll take it.
Okay. Mr. Johnson, just to be clear, you're gonna be pleading responsible to one count of no plates with the 3 remaining counts to be dismissed. You understand that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is there stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I accepted your responsible plea, and in dismissing the remaining counts, is there a stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Johnson Jr., I'm not going to charge you anything for your one count that you pled responsible to. Use that money to take care of those civil infractions that you have outstanding with the court, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a few of them, so go ahead and start with,
And how much are they?
you have, several to the point where you need to go ahead and look on 36th District Court's website and print out that page, print out a couple of them, or look them up on your own. You don't have to come before me, you don't have any warrants anymore. So you do this on your own time. You don't have to come back on October 27th either. We took care of that one.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Okay, let's do Mr. Fields. Calling case P1086736. One count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle as a driver. Appearance?
Good afternoon. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson for Mr. Fields. Sir, please state your name.
Tyrone Fields.
And what are we doing for Mr. Fields today?
For purposes of arraignment, we waive the formal reading and stand mute.
Okay, I'll enter not guilty plea.
And Mr. Fields is requesting a pretrial date.
Okay. Should I give another date?
You said trial date?
Or should I just continue?
That's fine.
Or trial date.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so I'll enter not guilty plea and set a pretrial date for October 21st at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to call back on Zoom, but just in the morning at 8:30 on October 21st, okay?
8:30 in the morning?
8:30 in the morning.
Yes, ma'am. Got you.
All right, you have a good one.
You too, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay. Attorney Robinson, thank you. I think we're all good here.
Thank you. Have a good day, all.
You too, thank you. Okay. This is the people versus Devontae, Eugene. Is it Jardine or Jardine?
Jardine.
Jardine? This
Yes.
is case P94145, driver while license not valid or improper license. Appearance?
William Glenn on
Yes.
behalf of Mr. Jardine. Sir, state your name.
Devontae Jardine.
And what are we doing today for Mr. Jardine?
For purposes of arraignment, we waive the formal reading and stand mute. My client wishes to accept the offer or failure to display.
Okay. For purposes of arraignment, I'll enter not guilty plea. Mr. Jardine, is it correct you're going to plead guilty to one count of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Glenn in private about your case today?
I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
And I'd like to bring your attention to June 28th, 2020, around 12:20 a.m. in the area of Memorial and Davidson in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2015 Dodge Black vehicle with an invalid or improper license.
Yes, I was.
Satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I will amend the charge of failure to display pursuant to the recommendation, and Mr. Jardine, I'm going to go ahead and waive your fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything to the court today, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. You have any questions?
I don't.
You are all set. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.